McNuggets.
And would like a number 10?
You guys want the McNuggets?
What's that?
No, one second. I'm talking to my peeps.
We have 4, 6, 10, 20, and 50.
That's what I'm trying to find out. How many? Would you niggas want any McNuggets?
How many are you getting?
I want to eat like 5. Actually, I want to eat like 10. You want any? Nick, you want any? Yes or no? Just say yes or no.
Sure.
Let me get a 20 piece.
Damn.
Like barbecue sauce?
5 for you, 15 for him.
I will have barbecue, sweet and sour.
Okay, anything else for you tonight?
That'll be all, sir.
Say hi for the camera.
Ah, shit, nice.
Oh, sorry, anything else?
That'll be all. Thank you so much, sir.
Excellent. You were correct. Let's get the last window, please.
Alrighty, thank you.
Okay, put it away.
Last window.
Oh my god, I can't believe this.
Alright, but I want them to see me.
I'm gonna be scared shitless, dude. I can't believe you're gonna do this.
Alright, please, how you doing tonight?
Good, and you?
You can totally see me recording.
What am I gonna do?
One back.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Why don't you go ahead and pull up to the rail? It's gonna be about a couple minutes, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Damn.
I'll still blow it. I'll still blow it.
It's still not gonna...
I'll still
You can
blow
blow it in the guy's face?
Yeah.
Oh shit. I can't see shit. Let me see. Hang on. Here, you wanna beat this?
Oh, well, damn. Okay. Can I put my light on?
I can put mine on.
You seriously can't see anything out there?
At McDonald's, nigga. Oh, there I am.
Where's the air horn at?
There, oh, shit.
Right here.
Put it in the camera. Yeah.
This is going on YouTube. It's kind of long for just a little blast.
Huh?
We made it long for just one little blast.
No, they made it long for one little blow.
No, we're recording this for a long time just for a little blast.
They made it long for one little blow. Nice Mustang.
Oh, is that one kid that...
I think he's cool. Probably.
It's gonna take a little while? What the hell?
It's okay.
I'm gonna feel so bad for the person you're gonna do it to.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Oh look, black people. Dude, you can't even see him in the camera. Oh, besides the guy in the white shirt, that's it.
Because he's blending into the darkness like his native.
Oh, you can scare all these kids.
No, I know that long.
You know them?
Yeah, I know them too, so I don't want to look.
Maybe he saw me.
For real?
Yeah.
Are they coming?
Are they coming?
Hey, yo, where my McNuggets at, nigga?
Hey, chill, there's a big guy there. He's a big guy. Oh, he's coming, he's coming. Oh my god, oh my god.
Thank you, bro. Have a good night, dude. Take it easy.
Fuck that.
Damn, you guys saw.
Did he do anything?
I don't know. I didn't look. I
wasn't looking. I was recording, but I wasn't looking.
Did
Did you record him though?
I don't know.
I didn't know what I was doing. I looked away.
We gotta go somewhere else. We gotta scare some people tomorrow, bro.
He was holding his ear. I looked at the window. He's like, even like this. Okay, so I think we should stop. Yeah.